Kia ora. You may have noticed that our organisation has a new look and feel. With Matariki on the horizon, this marks the season for change and new growth. And so we thought it would be mean to introduce our new brand. But don't worry, we're the same organisation, putting in the mahi every day to help our people. But we've just had a little glow up. Over the past year, we have worked with our kaumātua, governors and kaimahi to create our new look and feel. He mea waihanga I roto I te whakarotahi, guided by our principles of tika, pono and aroha. Hena, let's take a look. Inspired by our unique carving style that adorns many of our whare, like Aotearoa. Our key colours mā, pango and kokowai are a reflection of our worldview. Our brand is etched deeply with the kōrero of our people. It reflects our whenua, awa and maunga throughout our takiwā. It links us to our past and encourages us to walk confidently into the future. It represents our values that guide us every day. It's about connection, it's about us. E raukura o te whanaungatanga, we are Raukawa.